All specs accounted for. Sign off on the 42B.
Incoming heat emissions are logged and checked, so armor thickness chemistry MAC before any cutting.
Correct alloy bars ensure later heat treat reaches hardness without brittleness in drivetrain parts. Traceability links every cut blank to its heat number, so failures can be quarantined. Organized kitting prevents line stoppage when subassemblies call for matched sets.
Clean edges prevent inclusions and porosity in later weld seams.
Marked bend lines control press brake placement so angles close without forcing and cracking. Repeatable curvature ensures turret ring area mates squarely and shares load evenly.
Uniform ring dimensions keep bearings and seals true for smooth turret rotation.
Screw centers prevent runout, so shafts machine straight and bearings live longer. Square edges produce full penetration welds that carry impact loads.
Tempering reduces brittleness, so gears and shafts resist shock loads.
Correct OD sets tooth depth margin for accurate hobbing and quiet operation.
Proper seating keeps bores coaxial so tracks run straight and sprockets don't chew links.
Clean threads prevent fastener galling and maintain clamp load in vibration. Clean oil galleries prevent bearing starvation during break-in. Journal size controls oil clearance, which prevents knock and overheating. Proper seating prevents spun bearings when torque loads rise.
Controlled placement protects journal surfaces that carry the oil film.
Proper timing ensures power and prevents valve interference damage. Even seating prevents coolant leaks and hot spots that crack castings. Load testing catches oil pressure, coolant, and ignition faults before the tank ever moves. Shim selection sets backlash so gears don't howl or overheat. Correct preload prevents wobble that destroys seals and gears under shock.
Proper lubrication prevents bearing seizure that can stop a vehicle in combat.
Clamp load prevents fretting that loosens sprockets and damages splines. Jigs hold datum points so suspension and drivetrain align without binding.
Tack sequence controls heat distortion, so final welds don't pull the frame out.
Easy now, lower it slowly, a little to the left. All right, set her down.
Remember, proper mount alignment prevents driveline vibration that can break shafts and loosen fasteners.
Easy now, watch the mounts. Clear on the left, steady down.
Pinned joints prevent slippage, so controls respond consistently under load. Sealed airflow prevents overheating when the vehicle crawls at low speed. Secured wiring prevents chafing shorts that disable ignition and radios.
Accurate gauges warn overheating or low oil before catastrophic failure.
Proper lubrication prevents binding and uneven wear during turret traverse.
trunnion alignment keeps recoil forces centered and prevents cracking.
Sealed optics prevent water ingress and maintain visibility for safe driving and gunnery.
Proper clearance ensures quick egress and prevents binding after paint. Controlled grinding removes sharp edges and high spots that concentrate stress and trap corrosion.
Primer seals steel pores and prevents rust under the top coat.
Proper cure hardens the film so it resists fuel, oil, and abrasion. Clear markings aid unit identification and reduce friendly fire risk.
Antenna feed is secure. Routing the power cable now, Sergeant.
Reliable lighting supports convoy safety, while blackout modes reduce visibility to the enemy.
Proper sag reduces thrown tracks while preventing over-tension that eats bearings. Verified continuity prevents no-start and night driving failures. Brake and clutch adjustments get refined with lock nuts tightened in place. Final adjustment ensures predictable stopping and prevents heat fade from dragging bands.
Missed coverage becomes corrosion start points that weaken structure over time.
Permanent ID supports maintenance records and parts matching in the field.
All specs accounted for. Sign off on the 42B.
Secured stowage prevents loss and keeps vital spares with the vehicle on arrival. Correct routing ensures the finished tank reaches deployment on schedule without missed delivery.